Good morning, everyone. Let us continue our exercise based on other formulas. Children, if we have x plus 1 upon x equals to 3, means this whole has value 3, then we have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. Okay. So we have given here x plus 1 upon x is 3. So remember the formula 13, that is x plus 1 upon x का whole square equals to x square, means इसका square, plus 1 upon x का whole x का square plus 2 into x into 1 upon x, means this is a, suppose this is a and this is b. So the same formula we are applying, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this x will be cancelled from this x, only 2 will be left. And if we are doing the square of this, so we have to do the square of RHS also. Okay, LHS and RHS, if we are doing something in LHS, we have to apply that thing in RHS also. So if we are doing the square of this x plus 1 upon x, so we have to do the square of 3 also. Okay, so this 3 ka square will be 9. Now what is left here? X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Alright. Now children, we have to subtract 4 both the sides. Why? Because we have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x, और x minus 1 upon x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? x माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स का होल स्क्वायर, एंड उसमें क्या होता है? माइनस का 2 आता है, बट हेयर इट इज प्लस 2. सो इफ वी एड 4 subtract 4 both the sides, so what we will get? We will get here minus 2. Okay, so this you have to think it yourself based on the formula, that which value we have to find, and then according to that which formula we have to apply. Okay, so if we will subtract 4 both the sides, one side नहीं करेंगे, अगर यहाँ करेंगे तो यहाँ भी करेंगे, so here it will become minus 2. so अब ये formula x minus 1 upon x के whole square का हो गया, so that's why we have subtract 4 here. Okay, so now it has become 5. So now the value of this is in square, so we have to remove the square because we have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x only. So what we will do, square आपने पढ़ रखे हैं, so we will do the square root of 5. So our answer is, so it will be x minus 1 upon x equals to under root 5. Okay, this plus minus we have written, that's because अंडर रूट की वैल्यू प्लस में भी हो सकती है, माइनस में भी हो सकती है. सो वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट, और इट इज ऑल्टरनेटिव. It is not important to write, but the value can also be in positive or in negative. That's why we have written both plus minus sign. All right. Now same value we have given x plus 1 upon x, and we have to find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. Now this is easy, because we have to only apply the one formula here, x plus 1 upon x का whole square we will do, and we have to find the value of this only. So इधर 3 का square भी करेंगे, so it will become 9, और यहाँ पे cancel हो गया था जैसे हमारा x से x, so here what will left? Only 2. so only हमें इसकी value find out करनी है, so this 2 will come this side. 9 minus 2 will be 7. So the value of x square plus 1 upon x square will be 7. Same if we have to find the value of x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4, then we know the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is 7. So we will apply the formula of x square plus 1 upon x square की whole power 2, because अगर हम इसका करेंगे x प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स, तो हमें होल पावर 4 करनी होगी, बट वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर. सो इसी का स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर कर देंगे, तो ये x रेज टू द पावर 4 हो जाएगा, ये 1 अपॉन एक्स रेज टू द पावर 4 हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पे 2 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर. सो दिस एक्स स्क्वायर विल बी कैंसिल फ्रॉम दिस एक्स स्क्वायर, एंड वॉट विल लेफ्ट ओनली 2. और यहाँ पे भी हमें उसकी वैल्यू पता है 7 है, तो इधर 7 का भी स्क्वायर होगा. ऑल राइट, सो इट विल बिकम 49. 7 7 is 49. This 2 will come here in minus, and we can easily find the value of x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4, that is 47. All right children. Now if we have another question, if x square plus 1 upon x square is given to you, that is 47. Okay, now here we have opposite we are doing here. यहाँ पे हमको इसकी वैल्यू गिवन थी and we are finding out the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, but here we have x square plus 1 upon x square value is given and we have to find the value of x plus 1 upon x. So what we will do, we will add to both the sides because x square plus 1 upon x square की वैल्यू हमको गिवन है, so इसकी वैल्यू गिवन है, so we have to arrange the formula of x plus 1 upon x का whole square, but here we only have x square plus 1 upon x square and we have to find the value of x plus 1 upon x. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या मिसिंग है, what is the complete formula, x plus 1 upon x, x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2, so 2 is missing for that, so that's why we have to add to both the sides to complete the formula so that we can find the value of x plus 1 upon x. So we will add 2 both the sides, here also we will add 2, so now this formula has completed. Now we can write here x plus 1 upon x का whole square and here it will come 49. So we have to find the value of only x plus 1 upon x. So what we will do, we will do the square root of 49. जब हम square remove करते हैं तो इधर square root हो जाता है, you have learned in square chapter. So it will become x plus 1 upon x equals to under root 49. So जब 49 का under root निकालेंगे means square root निकालेंगे, so it will come 7. 7 sevens are 49. So the value of x plus 1 upon x is 7. Understood? Now if the same value is given and we have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x, so अब क्या करेंगे, अब हमें x minus 1 upon x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है और हमारे पास ये प्लस में है, यहाँ पे तो हमने 2 ऐड करा था, अब यहाँ पे 2 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे बिकॉज वी हैव टू मेक द फॉर्मूला और उसमें 2 माइनस का होता है. Okay, so according to the question only we have to identify that what number we have to add and what number we have to subtract. Okay, so we will subtract to both the sides, so it will become x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 equals to 47 minus 2. And one more thing, if you are adding or subtracting one thing in LHS means left hand side, you have to do the same thing in RHS also, that is right hand side. Now the formula will become x minus 1 upon x का whole square and the value of which we have to find it also is x minus 1 upon x. तो यहाँ पे 45 हो गया, but we have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. So इसका square root कर देंगे 45 का. So after doing the square root, what we will do, we will take the factors 3, 3, 5. So you know, we'll in square we take only pairs of 2. Okay, means 2 के pairs लेने हैं सिर्फ हमको. Got it? So the pair of 2 is only 3, means 3 ही 2 pairs में है. So we will take this 3 out and what we will left, only under root 5. ये under root में ही रहेगा. Okay, so it will become the value of x minus 1 upon x equals to 3 under root 5. All right children, I hope children you have understood how to find the values. Okay, so do these questions based on this formula only. All right.